Welcome to the class of pattern analysis. The pattern is a type of structures in a particular sequence. For example, in collagen protein, we have a pattern of X, Y, X. Okay, so X, G, X is going to be the pattern of the collagen protein. So like that, we can identify a pattern in any particular protein sequence. So to identify this highly conserved sequence in a pattern, we can predict this pattern by using a tool known as Prot tool. And after constructing the pattern can be used to analyze or search the databases to get more information. So now to predict the pattern, we are going to reach the pattern tool, and then to search the database we will go to the Motif tool in GenomeNet side. Now to go to the Prot tool, we have to first go to the Google, and then we will type the Prot tool. It is available from the EMBL or EBA database. So it is the Prot Expansive. Expansive is also maintained by EBI. So when you go to this Prot site, and you can see that the sequence, you need multiple sequences which is prepared like ClustalW. So you copy those sequence and you just paste here, and then you will run the Prot tool. So in this you can see you can directly search your pattern after its construction, or you first predict your Prot and then you use that for search. Okay, so now we are going to first run the Prot tool to get the pattern from the submitted sequences, and then with that sequence we are going to search the databases. And now the Prot tool provided an output, and you can see this is known as a pattern. So here we have almost most of the patterns we have a rich score around 200. Okay, so these are the best fitted pattern which is selected from this submitted file sequence. So you can, the regions of those patterns are indicated as a block in this particular region. So this is how it goes, and then they will also identify a best pattern of this particular sequence, which is clearly indicated here that in one point all the sequences will have a G, and this is what best pattern which is predicted from this particular sequence. After predicting the pattern, you can save the pattern. The patterns are another way of identifying the conserved regions in a particular sequence. So after you saved a pattern, you select the best pattern from this pattern, and then to run the pattern search, we will go to the GenomeNet server. That is Motif 2 of GenomeNet. So if you go to this GenomeNet Motif, and here there is a search sequence database option, and to this, by using that option we will search the pattern. So now you can see this, there is a box for the place of pattern. So now the pattern is pasted here, and then we can run this pattern by using this compute button. So now the Motif tool is running to predict the database with the pattern to get the sequence. Now we gave a pattern. We didn't tell what is the sequence, what is the protein it is, but it gives as the output that it is the sequence of alpha amylase and it is a sequence of an alpha amylase. So this is what, by using the pattern you can easily identify proteins in a databases, or even sometime unrelated different functional proteins are found to have a same family of protein by using this type of pattern. So if you go to this detailed button, it clearly indicates where the exact pattern is available in the protein sequences, and then if you go to this link, it goes to the database. It actually goes to the genome database, which is having a UniProt where the particular sequence is present. Okay, so you can get the sequences which is similar to this particular pattern So the pattern fetches only the amylases, so it shows that the pattern is very good. Okay, so this is how we can predict a pattern, and we can use this pattern to analyze a database or search the database. Thank you.